5 essential techniques pilots use to land in heavy fog. 1. Pilots rely on advanced instruments to navigate safely through low visibility conditions. 2. Autopilot systems play a crucial role in maintaining stability during foggy landings. 3. Effective communication with air traffic control ensures safe landings despite poor visibility. 4. Cockpit technology enhances visibility, providing critical information to aid in landing. 5. Training and experience help pilots make quick decisions in challenging fog conditions. Subscribe for more fascinating insights about aviation.